सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Introducing Illumable, a nightlight for your toilet. Illumabole's small and clean design means no more blinding midnight lights, wandering in the dark, or late night misses and messes. Easy to install and fits any toilet. Motion activated and offers 9 color settings at the touch of a button. Your bathroom will never be the same. Visit us at illumable.com to learn more.
Today, more people are leading healthier, active lifestyles. Our kids are playing more sports, more families are hitting the great outdoors, and more of us are running, doing yoga, hitting the gym, and engaging in extreme sports. The result? A constant battle against odor. At home, in the car, and on the go. What we do to combat odor is anything but healthy, In fact, there's an increasing body of evidence that we are poisoning ourselves. Many of the sprays, gels, plug, and clip-on devices that only mask odor contain dangerous chemical compounds. Fed up with this, the creators of Remedies went to work to create a safe, effective, and non-toxic solution to everyday odors. On a mission to outsmart smell, we needed to eliminate odor at the source, and at every source, we found moisture. The active ingredient in Remedies is dual action. It helps to remove the moisture that often harbors the bacteria and fungus that produce odor, and it captures the organic compounds that we perceive as odor. Watch as Remedies, in as little as an hour and a half, eliminates the odor-harboring moisture. Remedies' active ingredient is non-toxic activated carbon and lasts up to a year. It works great in shoes, boots, skates and cleats, helmets, gym bags, boxing gloves, hockey gear, luggage, storage bins, lockers, cars, boats and RVs, in your hamper, any place around the home you have odor, just place a Remedies and let it go to work. Smart, safe, and amazingly effective. Remedies. Outsmart smell.
Uh-oh. Is your tub drain getting stopped up with hair every time you take a shower? Are you fed up with hair strainers like this that are messy and slimy and hard to clean? Well, don't hate your hair. Get a Tub Shroom. Tub Shroom is the all-new and better way to snare your hair and prevent clogged tub drains. Watch. Tub Shroom catches every single hair every single time you shower. And getting rid of trapped hair is simple too. Just lift it out and wipe it off. It's that easy. Tub Shroom features a universal design that fits in any standard bathtub drain, and it's guaranteed to catch any type of hair. Long or short, thin or thick, curly or straight. Even pet hair is no problem for Tub Shroom. And look, other so-called solutions don't catch every hair. And the hair they do catch is on display while you shower, and harder to get rid of when you're done. But the Tub Shroom's unique design conceals trapped hair. Water flows freely down the drain, and cleanup is always fast and easy.
With this long hair, I used to deal with a clogged drain practically every day. But my Tub Shroom catches every hair every time I shower. And I love how cute it is.
Catch every single hair every single time you shower with Tub Shroom. No more clogs, no more hard-to-clean messes, and no dangerous chemicals to damage your pipe. Tub Shroom is the last hair strainer you'll ever have to buy, backed by our full 30-day money-back guarantee.